At the train station.
Excuse me, where can I buy a ticket?
Over there at the machine.
Thank you. Do I need cash?
No, you can use card.
That's good. I only have my card.
Where are you going?
To Oxford. Oh, nice. Press the button here. Okay, how much is it?
20 pounds?
Thank you for your help.
No problem. Have a safe trip.
At the park.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I walk here every day.
It is very green.
Yes, I like the trees.
Do you like jogging?
A little, but I prefer walking.
I see. The lake is nice.
Yes, many ducks live here.
Do you feed them?
Sometimes with bread.
That's fun.
At the library.
Excuse me, can I borrow this book?
Yes, do you have a library card?
Yes, here it is.
Okay, I will scan it.
Thank you. How long can I keep the book?
2 weeks.
That's good. Can I renew it?
Yes, online or here.
Perfect. I like this library.
Enjoy your reading.
At the pharmacy.
Hello? Can I buy some medicine?
Sure, what do you need?
Something for a headache.
Tablets or liquid?
Tablets, please.
Okay, take one every 6 hours.
Thank you. Can I buy water too?
Yes, here you are.
How much is it?
5 pounds.
Here's my card.
At the gym.
Do you come to this gym often?
Yes, 3 times a week.
That's good. Do you lift weights?
Yes, and I also run.
I am new here.
Don't worry, it's easy.
Do you like classes?
Yes, yoga is my favorite.
Maybe I will try.
You should.
At the airport.
Excuse me, where is gate 12?
Go straight, then turn right.
Thank you. Is it far?
About 5 minutes.
Good, my flight is soon.
Where are you flying to?
Paris.
Nice. Enjoy your trip.
Thanks. Are you flying too?
Yes. To Rome.
Have a safe flight.
You too.